Hello everyone, I'm Nazanin. Today I want to talk about hijab in Iran. This video guides you to have a clear idea about the hijab and what to pack before you get on your plane to Iran. I suggest you to watch it to the end to understand completely about hijab in Iran. Do not take the issue of hijab too seriously. In fact, nowadays the type of hijab is different. I recorded this video last week in Shiraz to show you the situation of hijab in Iran. Your hijab can be like this, so if the hijab prevents you from traveling to this beautiful country, it is better to think about it more and do not deprive yourself of seeing this beautiful country. It is enough to wear a scarf and a long dress, or wearing a short manteau and long trousers. You do not need to cover all the hands. Covering the hands up to the elbow is enough. If tourists are worried about their scarf falling off, I always explain to them that my scarf also falls on the street, but I wear it quickly and nothing special happens. There is no punishment for falling a scarf. Is it okay to show a little hair with a hijab? The Islamic rules say no, but in the real daily life of Iranians, you will see a different thing. It is no problem to show a little hair when you have your scarf on. Can I lose my headscarf? You do not have to tighten your scarf and make yourself uncomfortable. It is acceptable to lose your scarf as long as you manage to keep it on your head. The new Islamic rules after the revolution in 1979 impelled women to have hijab outdoors. The idea is to cover the whole hair, arms and hands up to the wrist and legs to the ankle. In the past, women used to wear chador to cover up the whole body except the face with a large piece of cloth. Nowadays, some women still wear a black chador in the streets. This is more common and customary in religious cities such as Qom, Mashhad, and Yazd. Today, the popular form of hijab for women is to have long trousers, knee-length manteau, and a headscarf. Many foreign tourists wonder if it is okay to wear colorful, floral clothes in Iran. The answer is a big yes. It is absolutely fine to wear any color you like with any patterns you fancy. The hijab is about covering the body. There is no limitation on the design. The other frequently asked question is if there will be a problem if they wear sandals in Iran. Definitely not. It is pretty common to wear any kind of sandals in summer. In general, your shoes are not going to make you any trouble here. Foreign tourists are expected to dress like Iranian inhabitants and respect the rules like they do in any other countries they visit. As long as you are spending time outdoors, you need to keep the scarf on and keep your body and legs covered. Do we have hijab for men? Yes, that's right. Men also need to follow a dress code when traveling to Iran. Short trousers and tank tops are not socially accepted here. However, t-shirts, shirts, and trousers in any color would be fine for male foreign tourists in Iran. Keep in mind that in beach cities, the atmosphere is different. and the rules are taken less seriously there for men. Do we have hijab for children and babies? Oh no, that's not gonna happen. Basically, Islam says that girls should start wearing the hijab from the age of 9. However, in Iran, girls usually do almost when their body gets mature like a woman. Usually here girls have hijab from the age of 13 or 14. If you have any specific questions about the dress code in Iran, feel free to ask me in the comments.